Hello and welcome to this tutorial on DATEVALUE function. In this video, we will discuss the DATEVALUE function and its uses in Excel. The DATEVALUE function is an Excel function that converts a text data in recognized format to serial number that represents the date. The syntax of DATEVALUE is, if I click on the formula, you can see go to the date and time and select from the date value. Now you can see the function argument. It says that convert a date in the form of text to number that represent the date in Microsoft Excel. Date to time quote date text, the text that represent a date in Microsoft Word Excel data format between 1st January 19 or 1st January 1994. Depending on the workbook date system, and it's called 31st December 1999, and it will come up like this. I'm gonna do with the example. For now, I'm just doing with the cancel it. So what I'm gonna do, suppose we have the data in cell A5, A6, and in the format we can see this is the 1st January and A19. And the next one, we can see the first one is the day, and the next one is the month, and the last one is the year. So to convert this date to serial number, we can use the following formula. Like when I click over here and use the date value and use, and it say the text. So I'm going to select this one, F5, and close it. Now you can see it's come up with the serial number, and same way we can do for the next one. Just scroll down there. So when I scroll down there, now you can see now this is the kind of the serial number. So the function will return a serial number representing the date in the A5 and A6 we can see. So DATEVALUE function is useful when you need to perform calculation or analysis based on date in Excel. For example, you can use the function to calculate the number of days between two dates, sort dates in chronological order, perform database calculations such as finding the average age of group of people. Okay. So how do you use the date value? Ensure that the date text should be like the month, day, and year. You can use, like if I go to here and right click and use the format and cell, and from here you can just use the date, and it should be like the date, and also you can customize and you can use from here, or you can just modify it. Like if I use the again and use the day, so it's come up like this. Like let me hit on the OK, and it will come up like this. So make sure that so you can format its link with the date text. And while you using the date value function, ensure that the cell containing the date is formatted as a data. Okay. In this tutorial, we will discuss the DATEVALUE function in Excel, its syntax, uses, and some tips for using it effectively by converting text dates to serial number. The functions make it easier to perform calculation and analysis based on dates in Excel.